So you're planning on opening an offshore trust. Well, two things. Number one, smart move. Number two, you may have some questions. Most importantly, what is the setup process like? Here's what you need to know. Setting up an offshore trust is like setting up a domestic one, but there are unique factors to consider. An asset protection attorney is crucial to guide you through this process. They will handle creating the trust, coordinating with offshore providers to safeguard assets, and ensure everything runs smoothly throughout the process. Here are 3 key steps in setting up offshore asset protection trust. Number 1, choose an offshore jurisdiction. When selecting an offshore jurisdiction, find one that aligns with your respective needs. Research and evaluate different jurisdictions based on factors such as their legal system, tax laws, protective litigation history, and economic stability. The Cook Islands is often recommended for its unbeatable asset protection laws. It doesn't recognize foreign judgments, and creditors face significant legal hurdles, such as filing fraudulent transfer claims in local courts, which can be complex and very costly. Step 2, select a foreign trust company. After choosing your jurisdiction, the next step is selecting a trustee. The foreign entity will safeguard your assets, so it's crucial to choose a reputable trustee aligned with your financial objectives. Seek recommendations from an experienced attorney to identify trustworthy offshore trustee companies that meet your needs. Step 3, decide on a trust structure. Tailor the structure of your offshore trust to suit your asset protection requirements. Here are 2 common options. Offshore bank account. Open an account in your chosen jurisdiction with a bank backed by a reference letter from your domestic financial institution. This setup lets you control investments and access funds through your trustee. Offshore limited liability company. Create an offshore LLC with help from your trustee. This structure allows easy transfer of assets to and from LLC accounts, giving you full control over your trust assets. By following these steps and collaborating closely with your attorney, you'll create a custom offshore asset protection trust that aligns perfectly with your financial goals, ensuring your wealth stays secure. Considering offshore asset protection, our team at Blake Harris Law offers comprehensive services to safeguard your assets. Contact us today to get started.